Plug the unit in.
Okay. So as you plug it in, it's going to have a startup process. It boots up.
And a quick disconnect in the back, so make sure you turn it on.
So,
and it's going to take a few minutes to load.
Now this is in the on position now, correct?
Yeah, this is in the on position.
Okay.
To the left to turn off the unit.
Okay, so right now it's on.
Yeah.
On is pointing the top. And normally when you're off, you're to the green. Okay.
Correct.
Gotcha.
So now we're waiting for it to boot up. It should only take about 30 to 40 seconds.
It's only the first time.
Yeah.
Okay. I have to keep my video going one direction.
Okay, so now we're on the main screen. It shows Charlie's Machine and Supply. What we want to do is go to the main control screen, hit F1.
Okay.
And now we're at the screen where it shows all the different RPMs, 400, 600, and 900 RPM. You have a stop and a start, and you also have the timer.
Set for 1 minute?
Yeah, push the button, it's set for 1 minute. Let's change that to 2 so they can see how to do this. So you want to go ahead and clear, and we'll set it for 2 minutes. And then
so
enter.
O2 is 2. Okay.
Correct, O2 is 2, and then this is the enter button.
Okay.
So once we set that, it should change on the screen.
So you preset it for example, this is 2 minutes at 900 RPM, 2 minutes at 603. So if they were to decide to hit start here,
right,
they'd run 3 minutes at 400.
That's correct.
So you preset it up.
It's all preset.
Okay.
So now we're going to go ahead and start the 900 RPM cycle.
Okay.
You hit this start button.
So you hear it running now.
And when, yeah, you can hear the unit on now. And when it's on the on position, you'll see the green light blinking, and it should indicate running. And then you'll see the 900 RPM.
Yeah, running 90 or 900.
Yeah.
Okay, same thing. Got it. So it's very quiet.
Yeah.
Can't see it move at all.
Yeah, currently it's not anchored, but as you see here, when you get the unit, you make sure that you level it out and you use your anchors with epoxy,
so when
you get less vibration.
They level across the top, or how do they level across the basket?
You can do it on the inside of the basket.
Yeah. So you lay level on top of the basket.
Yeah. So you can see here we have very minimal vibration. There isn't any product in there.
There's no vibration.
There's no vibration at all.
Yeah, very solid. Okay.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up. We have a safety switch on the left side. You want to come around this side, Charlie?
Okay.
You can see here, I'm going to go ahead and
these latches.
Open up the latch.
Okay, lift it up.
And we have the safety switch.
Right, and it's got a brake on the motor, so it slows it down.
It should just stop
3 to 5
in less
seconds.
than 30 seconds.
Well, that was about
10
7 seconds maybe. Okay. Anything you want to explain in here?
Well, this is how we take the basket out.
Okay.
When you load the unit, you want to make sure that the basket is completely seated at the bottom, and you can hear it.
Yeah. Stops.
It should fit nice and
snug.
snug.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
And then you want to go ahead and close the door. Make sure that both of the safety latches are completely secure.
Okay.
And snapped in there.
And these are replaceable.
Those are replaceable.
Okay.
These are your
safety contacts.
There.
Okay.
We want to go ahead and start the unit again.
Okay.
We also have the emergency stop.
You can hear it. Yeah, you hear it slow down.
Yeah. We want to turn the emergency stop to the right to deactivate it.
It pops up.
Pops up, and you can go ahead and cycle the unit again.
Okay.
Let's start the unit again.
Okay. Yeah, it's very, very quiet. Quiet. Okay, explain to me the grease points.
Okay. We have 3 different grease points.
How often should they grease it up?
This should be a maybe 1 pump every 2 weeks,
Okay.
depending on how many hours they use it. But
Yeah,
I recommend
sure.
at least once or twice every 2 weeks.
Okay.
Okay. We have one of the grease points is going to be for the top bearings.
Okay.
Top bearing, bottom bearing, and then we have the internal shaft that needs to be greased.